Hi! In front of me is Realme C35 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this device. First of all, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type in iOS Launcher. Then you need to install this free app from this developer and open it. I just need to skip my setup real quick. And now when I open it, I need to wait for the pop-ups. When they show up, you need to select while using the app and tap on Allow. Then click on Home button. Over here, select iOS Launcher, click Always, tap on Got It, and as you can see, app layout was applied successfully on my device. But you can always just switch between your layouts by going into Settings, then selecting Apps and Notifications, scrolling down, choosing Default Apps and Home app. If you wish to go back into your default one, click on Quick Step. If you wish to go back to iOS, just tap on iOS. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!